Hello everyone, I'm Shuparna Banerjee from Magical Healing Art. आज मैं 12 जोडियक साइन को लेके आई हूँ. ठीक है, आपका नेक्स्ट 7 days कैसा रहेगा वो मैं देखूँगी with different cards. Actually I'm using different cards, that is tarot card, oracle cards, okay, and angel cards and different types of cards I will tell you, okay. And I will see the messages from universe also, messages from your ancestors also, and what is your energy also, okay. So this is going for next 7 days, 1st October to 7th October for Aries, okay. First I will see the energy of Aries, okay. मैं इसमें से 7 कार्ड्स लूँगी फॉर 7 days, ओके. अगर क्लैरिफिकेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगा तो मैं उसको क्लैरिफाई करूँगी विथ डिफरेंट टैरेट कार्ड और ओराकल कार्ड्स, ओके. Now messages from your ancestors, okay. Messages from universe. Okay, first I will see that what has come, okay? Then I will clarify with Lenormand, and at the end I will take the angel card, okay, for your health. Okay. Oh wow, it's showing magician, okay? Very good card has come, magician, okay? So something very good, this October will start in very good and prosperous way in 1st October, okay? It's showing, and it this card has come from, I think, from universe. They are trying to tell you that something will happen like a magic, okay? And whatever your wish, I think that will come in true, okay? Fulfill wish, आपका जो wish है वो fulfill होगा, ठीक है? मे बी न्यू फ्रेंडशिप हो सकता है किसी के साथ, ओके? आपको आपको ऐसा रियलाइजेशन होगा कि आपका जो फ्रेंड्स है वो कुछ पर्पस के लिए है आपके लाइफ में. विदाउट पर्पस दे आर नॉट इन योर लाइफ, ओके? दैट मीन्स दैट आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो किसी पर्पस के लिए, और आपका कुछ ऐसा काम है उसको फुलफिल करने के लिए आपके साथ है, आपको कुछ हेल्प करने के लिए, ठीक है? Look at this. Next, the card has come from universe. It's saying, जो यूनिवर्स से कार्ड आपको आया है, ओके? माई हैप्पीनेस इज़ अ डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन, रिफ्लेक्शन, सो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ माई लेवल ऑफ फेथ इन द यूनिवर्स. सो आपको ऐसा बोला गया है कि यू हैव टू बी, you have to have faith on universe, okay? So first you can see the magician has come. Really, it is very good. Magician has come. So they are trying to tell you, that there is some reason, okay? There is some reason for that this magician card which has come, okay? कुछ ना कुछ एक्चुअली रीज़न है, उसके वजह से ये मैजिशियन कार्ड आया है, जो आपको आपका जो भी विश है, आई थिंक इसमें मुझे ऐसा इंट्यूशन हो रहा है कि जो भी विश है वो आपका फुलफिल होगा, ठीक है? और आपको बोला जा रहा है कि यू हैव टू हैव फेथ ऑन यूनिवर्स. Look at this. They are trying to tell in moon card that prosperity lies ahead, okay? दैट मीन्स दैट जो भी हो रहा है, जो भी दिखा रहा है, उसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ रीज़न है, कुछ आपका प्रॉस्पेरिटी जो है वो आ रहा है, ठीक है? ओके, मुझे थोड़ा क्लैरिफाई करना है एक कार्ड को, बिकॉज दिस कार्ड इज न्यू फॉर मी, सो आई हैव टू जस्ट सी. Let me see. Okay, it's showing that hostilities. Okay, look at this. This card has come. Okay, it's showing that there will be any little bit aggressive energy will be there with you. Okay, so you have to see that. Okay, because you should not be aggressive. Okay, this card shows a man raising his shoulders. It's showing, right? Look at that. This man is holding a sword. Okay, and this man is looking like very aggressive manner, right? Okay, they are trying to tell this aggressive energy may be verbal or emotional with someone in your environment. Okay, means you will be some energy will be there in with you, Aries. Okay, this 1st of October, which will be very aggressive. Okay, that can be your emotionally or physically can happen. Okay, so so they are trying to tell you have to control that aggressiveness. Okay, so this is the, I think, little bit negative. I am feeling this one, but not that much. Okay, you can control that. Okay, the 1st of October. Okay, now let's see what is coming in 2nd October. Okay, it's coming that there is a moon energy. Okay, moon energy means you will be very much in thinking. Okay, little bit of uh, you will think something. Okay, that means that a little bit of you will be confused. Okay, little bit confused in that way that what will I do, what will I not do, why it has come, I'll see. They're trying to tell you it will be maybe little bit what can I tell, confusion will be there that you will go out or not, you will do the job or not. Okay, there will be some confusion, so they are trying to tell step out of your comfort zone. Okay, so you can come out. Okay, this card is showing that you can come out from your comfort zone. Sorry, yeah. Then from your ancestors they are telling that you should be very much disciplined, you should be maintain your discipline. Okay, I can accomplish what I set my mind to. So you, whatever you are thinking, they are telling you should do that. Okay, should not think that will I do that, will I not do that. Okay, so you have to maintain your discipline. Okay, look at this. It's trying to tell, the message has come from universe that surrender, you should surrender. Okay, it's telling that you should surrender, and because it's telling that the some power will be there. Okay, which will be um, more powerful than you, so you have to surrender, you have to surrender. Okay, so this is coming from universe. And next, the goddess of the moon. Look, 2 moon card has come. Okay, so you will be very much you will think in that day that will I do this, will I not do this. You are not think, means you cannot decide. Okay, so they are trying to tell step out, come out from your comfort zone and try to do that. So whatever you are thinking, you can do that. Don't wait for future. Okay, then maybe some opportunity is coming or will come, you have to accept that. That's why they are trying to tell. Okay, so next I'll see what has come. this is the second, okay, this is the 3rd October they are trying to tell. Let me see. Oh wow, Chariot card has come. It is very good. Look at this. The Chariot, okay. What they are trying to tell over here, you should have the balance. Look at this, from your ancestors are telling that you should have the balance in your life, okay. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. So don't do judgment. There is a Chariot card, okay. So you should not do any judgment. Whatever will happen, that will be good for you, okay. So you should bring the harmony in your life, in your world, okay. The next is, look at this again, it has come balance. Wow, balance in spirituality and practicality, okay. Look at this, it's amazing. Look at this, they are trying to tell that look, the balance, right? Can you see? Over here also they are trying to give the message, the balance, okay. So something will come, you have to balance in that, okay. Balance in your spirituality and practicality, okay. Next card is oh wow, they are trying to tell, the universe is trying to give you the message, the universe has my back. So they are with you, okay. Some new opportunity can come and the universe will be with you. So no need to be afraid of, okay. So you can do whatever you want, and you have to be balanced. You should only think that I have to balance in my life, okay. Okay, look at this, there will be the community. That means over here you can mix with someone, okay. You can meet with someone, there will be some party or get together gathering will happen in that day, okay, on 3rd of October, okay. 3rd, then I'll see the 4th of October what is coming. Wow, the world card has come. The world card has come, okay. So can you see, this is so beautiful card has come. Aries, they are trying to tell that don't feel guilt, okay. And universe and your ancestors are telling that release any belief you have that is no longer is no longer helping you, okay, which is stopping your growth. So let go that, okay. If you have any guilt, let go that one, okay. Then you have to tell, I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth, okay. And they are telling that surrender to the divine. Look at this, so nice card has come, surrender. They are trying to tell that release, believe to the God, believe to the angels and your ancestors, God, your higher self, okay. And surrender to the divine, surrender to the divine, okay. They are with you, they are in your back, okay. So next is, look at this, wow, my energy creates my reality. So you should have the positive energy, okay. If you have positive energy, you will get the positive result, okay. So it's telling, what I focus on is what I will manifest, okay. Look at this, beautiful, right? And attachment, they are trying to tell that you should not have, if there is any guilt is attaching with you, right, you have to remove that, okay. This is the 4th of October, okay. Then 5th of October I will see. Okay, it's coming over here, the king of cups. Okay, so you have to have some emotionally in that day, you will be little bit emotional in that day. Okay, and you have to be balanced in that. Okay, you have to be balanced in that, and what they are trying to tell there will be some challenges will come. Okay, there will be some challenges will be there in 5th of October, and they are trying to tell that your ancestors are trying to tell that I accept, you should tell yourself that I accept the challenges are the best way to learn. So why the challenges are coming? The challenges are coming to teach you something. Okay, to teach you something. So I accept the challenges are the best way to learn. So you are also learning. Okay, you are learning something. So that's why your challenges are coming in your life. Okay. They are trying to tell you believe yourself. Okay, they are trying, universe is trying to tell that believe yourself. Okay, you try to believe on you. That should be your nature. Okay, that should be nature. Don't underestimate your energy, your power. Okay, they are trying to give you this message. Okay, okay, envy, there may be some I think something is there which will bother you. Okay, don't distract. They are trying to tell don't distract. Focus on you. Focus on you, on your work. Okay, so that's why they are trying to tell, and there will be light. You can see the light. Okay, and you will win. You will win. There will be a win-win outcome is focused. So look at this. Universe are there with you. Okay, this is the 4th of sorry, 5th of October. Okay, now 6th of October, let me see. The Lovers card has come. Oh my god, the Lovers card has come on your this one 5th sorry 6th of October. What are the messages are and the ancestors are trying to tell that perseverance. Okay, and I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. Okay, so whatever you will think that you can do. Okay, believe yourself. They are trying to tell believe yourself. Okay, you can do that. Focus on you. Okay, and the Lovers card has come. Maybe some love affairs can be also come, or that energy is coming over here. Okay, wow, expect powerful changes in that day. Wow, it is so beautiful, Aries. It's showing that expect powerful changes in that day. 6th of October, you can see some powerful changes will come in your life. Okay, now universe is trying to tell you that true healings occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. Okay, so whatever, if you want some healing, you have to have the belief right with you that yes, I am doing something that will work on me. Right, right, so give the permission to yourself that yes, I'll feel that one. Okay, next is the garden and the gate. That means, look at this, you are waiting for a new opportunity. I think I am feeling over here the new opportunity is coming in your near future. In that day maybe you can see some opportunity, and they are trying to tell that that some powerful changes can come. Okay, whatever you are waiting for, that can come maybe in that day. Okay, now 7th of October, what is coming? Let me see. The Emperor. Okay, wow, look at this. You should be little bit of strict on you. Okay, maybe it's showing that you have to focus, you have to keep focus. Okay, whatever you want to do, you have to do in time, you have to focus, and you should be very practical. Okay, because they are trying to tell that your emotions are running very high. Okay, so you have to be very practical and think what you can do, which will give you the result. Okay, you have to think in that way. Okay, and there is trying to tell that you can do some service also in that day. Maybe you can help someone, or financially or spiritually you can maybe help someone, and it's showing that I feel good when I can help others. Okay, next is they're trying to tell you have to surrender to the universe. Okay, you have to surrender. You are maybe feeling that you are all tied up. Okay, you cannot do, you want to do something but you cannot do that. That energy is coming, it's coming, that all tied up. Okay, you want to do something in different way, maybe in spiritual or and practically you wanted to do something but you cannot do. That's how you are feeling the tired. You are tired means your hands are tied. Okay, आपके हाथ जो है वो बंधे हुए हैं. तो ये जो है ये अब सोचना मत. ओके, यू हैव टू सरेंडर योर सेल्फ. ओके, टू द यूनिवर्स, एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, if you surrender you will get everything. Okay, believe on universe, believe on your higher self. Okay, now I'll see what Lenormand card is saying. यहाँ पे 1st of October आया है कि आपका कुछ मीन्स यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि मैजिशियन, राइट, मैजिशियन आया है. तो उस टाइम में आपका कुछ न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी आने वाला है, जो आपको ऐसा लगता था कि मेरा किस्मत का ताला खोलेगा. ओके, you will open the lock. Okay, in something was you are feeling blocked, that will open in that day. Okay, okay, first then 2nd of October you will feel somebody can, some offer can come from someone, or gift can come from someone. Okay, the 2nd of October. Okay, 3rd of October you can okay, 3rd of October, it's trying to show that some opportunity will come, which will you will fix, you will take that opportunity. Okay, maybe some it's showing that some job opportunity can come, or some business. Okay, it's showing. Okay, 3rd of October. Then 4th of October it's coming that your growth. Okay, you will grow. It's showing that in garden. Okay, it will grow, that green, the abundance will come on 4th. Okay, your world card has also come. That means abundance, prosperity, all these things, all good, all goodness will come on 4th. Okay, 5th will be the cloud. Okay, cloud means maybe you will be little bit confused, confusion will be there, but it's showing that it will be fine. Okay, it will be fine. Okay, 6th will come that be aware from someone who, that person can harm you. Maybe you have to see somebody will come or something will come which is not so much good for you. Okay, you can see properly and then do. That means some, and they are trying to tell some powerful changes will come, and that can be little toxic also. It can be happen little toxic. Okay, so they are trying to tell. And the 7th of October is, they are trying to tell that crossroad. Okay, there will be, you have to choose something. Okay, you have to, maybe some opportunity will come, you have to choose, or you will think that I will choose this or that. Okay, you can, something will come like that. You will be a little bit emotional maybe in that day. Okay, now I'll see what is the message from the Archangel Raphael. Okay, if you like this reading, please give me like and thumbs up, and subscribe my channel. Okay, okay, 1st of October they are trying to tell. 1st of October, the Archangel Raphael is trying to tell that laughter is the best medicine. So the Archangel Raphael is trying to tell that whatever is happening, you should be very happy and try to share with your happiness with others. Okay, and they are trying to tell that dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for reminding me to detach and find the honor and irony within every human drama. Okay, so you have to be very light in that day, light-hearted, and then they are trying to tell you have to be you should do some jokes and with others. Okay, that can help you emotionally. Okay, 2nd of October they are trying to tell that you should eat proper food, you should eat the organic food. Okay, so they're trying to give you this message. So 2nd of October, you can focus on little bit of on food, what you are eating, what you are doing. You cannot skip your food. Okay, so 3rd of October, what they are trying to tell that avoid allergies. Maybe some problem, the skin problem can come, or any food allergy can come, or maybe from pollen. Okay, they're trying to tell. So so in that day can be little bit of you should be cautious. Okay, then 4th of October, divine intervention. That means look, there will be, if you have some problem, health problem or something, you can call Archangel Raphael. I think they are trying to give you the message that I will be with you, you can call me, I will help you. Okay, then next 5th of October is it's coming that you should leave the stressful situation. Okay, you should not hold that. Okay. Okay, next is 6th of October. 6th of October, they are trying to tell that you will have the increased energy. They are trying to tell that expect powerful changes. Your energy will be very high in that day. They are trying to tell on 6th, your energy will be very high. Okay, so they are trying to tell dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for filling me with the unlimited energy of divine love and light. Okay, and after telling that, you should tell thank you. You have to, no need to tell exactly what I am telling. You can pray whatever you want, but at the end you should tell thank you. Okay, to the universe, to the your higher self, to the angels also. Okay. Okay, they are trying to tell that stretch, and they are trying to tell that dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for staying by my side and motivating me to take excellent care of myself in all ways. Okay, so look at this, Aries, it's so beautiful card has come. If you like my reading, okay, give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Then if you subscribe, that will motivate me to bring more topics. Okay, and stay with me. Okay, thank you then. Bye.